In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Squarespace logo bigger. If you're looking to make a more impactful first impression with your site visitors, resizing your logo could be a small but effective step. Let's dive into the process and walk through it together. First, you'll need to navigate over to the Squarespace website. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the platform, you'll want to click on the Get Started button, which will take you to the dashboard area. Navigating the Squarespace interface can sometimes seem a bit overwhelming, but the Get Started button is your gateway into the heart of your site settings. Now that you're in your Squarespace editor, locate the Design menu on the left side of your screen. These design tools are central to customizing your Squarespace site, so it's worth getting familiar with them if you're planning more tweaks down the line. From here, select Site Styles. This section is where most of your site's visual customization will take place, including our task at hand. Within the Site Styles menu, look for options related to your site's logo. You might see them labeled as Logo, Branding, or even under a broader category like Header, Branding. Every template is a little different, so don't worry if the exact name varies. The goal here is to locate the area where you can start adjusting your logo's specifications. Once you've found it, this is the section where the magic happens. You'll typically find a slider or an input field that allows you to adjust your logo's height, width, or both. If it's a slider, simply drag it to the larger side to increase the size of your logo. Alternatively, if it's an input field, you can enter a larger pixel value to achieve the same effect. Don't hesitate to try out several sizes until you find the one that feels just right for your site. If your Squarespace site uses a separate logo size for mobile devices, you may need to adjust that as well. Look for settings labeled Mobile Logo Max Height to make sure your logo doesn't look too small or too large on mobile screens. Consistency across devices can greatly enhance user experience, so don't skip this step if it's applicable. After you've adjusted everything to your liking, the final step is crucial. Make sure to save your changes. There's nothing worse than realizing you've closed your browser before saving, leaving your hard work lost. So go ahead and hit that save button to confirm your new and improved logo size. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully made your Squarespace logo bigger, ensuring it stands out and captures attention. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy your refreshed website look.